September in Cape Coast, the city comes alive. From London Bridge to Elmina, history will survive. Laughing fountains everywhere.
Yo guys, it's exactly 1 year here when my whole broadcast for Oguaa Fetu Afahye was tried because of some thieves. We are back here on September in Cape Coast, and as usual, they can't stop us from giving you the best of content. In Tiawaha, they were the streets of Kotokraba just to serve you with some great content, beautiful content right here in Cape Coast. There are streets, we did 100%. They were great. All the guys are in touch.
Let's go. We celebrate with Kumasi. We celebrate with Accra.
Well guys, we're up and running in Cape Coast, and it is what it is. Fetu Afahye 2025 is the goal, the 80 style BRB. Well, we are hosting Nigeria this year, and so I decided to join the Nigerians. Oguaa. This is the brigade. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. It is what it is.
Let's go. We celebrate with Kumasi. We celebrate with Accra. Cape Coast Festival. September in Cape Coast, the city comes alive. From London Bridge to Elmina, history will survive. Laughing fountains everywhere, cracking jokes all day. Even when they're serious, they'll still find a way to play. Hey, Fante people, yeah, what do ye? Say, yeah, what do ye? Charlie Fante for you special. Kotokraba markets buzzing, but up on the sea. Ogi. Oguaa, Oguaa, Oguaa. Oguaa Festival calling, come and dance with me. Ah, shake, shake it, oh. From Kakum's canopy to castles by the shore. Cape Coast Aquaba. September in Cape Coast, Oguaa Festival. Drums are talking, Nasa for marching, make you shout, turn up. Good schools rising, giants of the land. These are the
Central region of Oguaa. What have been kept in the where you got it from? You see what I'm wearing in a basket inside. You can see our basket. This is highly spiritual. Hey, are highly spiritual. And this is the king of the coast. Bonsunala, Nana Shak, Mr. Shak, and the other crew. It's on. Action in our Cape Coast. Don't get it twisted. You go ahead, don't change, baby. of action. Check the energy. Warriors from the northern side of Ghana. It is what it is. So currently in your picture is the overlord, the man of Oguaa traditional area, Osabari Makwesiata. Right in front of him, your justice. Yeah, man, the show boy. That guy got some swag, eh? Usher. Justice running to the front guy with a swag on.
Chief Justice.
Chief Justice there. Right in front of Omahin.
Chief Justice.
Osabari Makwesiata. The second, Oguaa Omahin. This is Cape Coast. That's the town of beautiful dances. Right here. Energy atmosphere and more. me pull the trigger. This year, last year, gay, you show me where Bacorate. The phone.
All be lie. If you set up, all be like.